Welcome to KitaReka, innovative teaching kit for sustainable plastic recycling in art education. This project is developed by our group, consisting the group leader and group members. Our institution is the Faculty of Education, University Teknologi Mara UiTM Selangor Branch, Puncak Alam Campus. We have introduction, problem statement, the objective, usefulness, novelty, impact on society, and commercialization. Here is the unboxing of the KitaReka teaching kit. On the back of the box, there is information introducing KitaReka as a learning kit for creating accessory using recycled plastic materials. When we open the kit, we can find an instruction card that explains how to use the KitaReka kit and how to properly take care of maintain the kit. Next, we have the KitaReka module. The module contains several sections starting with introduction to KitaReka, followed by the history of accessory. Students are then introduced to the step-by-step process of creating different types of accessory, including bracelet, necklace, earring, and hair clip. At the end of the module, there is also a section on entrepreneurship. The module also includes a QR code that students can scan to watch tutorial video on how to create the different accessories. Inside the first level of the kit, we have various accessory making materials. Moving on to the next level, we have the tools needed for the production process. The cutting templates provide students with a guide for cutting recycled plastic bottles into the required shape and size. Through the QR tutorial video, students can also watch the complete process of making the accessory, including the material needed, the steps involved, and how to assemble the recycled plastic pieces into finished products such as bracelet and necklace. And that concludes the KitaReka teaching kit, an innovation learning tool that combines art, creativity, sustainability, and entrepreneurship in one learning experience. Thank you so much for watching.